you can see, the bike's gone. Yes, that was a bit of a shock. That a bit of a financial episode, which meant we needed an awful lot of money in a short space of time to allow us to continue using the bathroom. As it happens, a bit annoying that, never mind. What it means is that all the money that I put to one side to help buy the next bike is used. I've had to get rid of the bike, sell it, so I can cut the PCP. So there I am, no bike, but no PCP. I do have some money left, so I am in the process of purchasing another bike, which I will show you when I get it. I sold the RS to WeBuyAnyBike.com, who turned out to be very good. Gave me 500 quid more than the Honda dealer, so I'm pleased with that. I'm sorry about my shaky hands, by the way. It's my left hand that shakes a fair bit. So the next time you see me, hopefully I'll have another bike, a lot cheaper than the RS. I've actually got it as a trade sale, so it's meant to be a bit rough around the edges, but we'll see. I think it looks okay. I think it looks okay, what I've seen in the photographs. So that's it for now, guys. This has been the Haggard Rider. Stand by for part 2.